Okay, here we are with another quarantine kitchen. It is still COVID time. One thing that always upsets me when we go to the store is how much they want to charge you for coleslaw, which is $4 a pound. It's absolutely ridiculous. It should be the cheapest thing in the world. I'll show you how to make this real quick. You'll never buy it in the store again. Gonna take some mayonnaise. Make our dressing here first. Hellmann's is the best. I don't have Hellmann's here right now. We'll have to deal with it. Some white vinegar. Alright. Next up, some sugar. This is all something that you can adjust later, so don't worry about being too precise. Alright. I like to add a little bit of pickle burn. I have some bread and butter pickles here. Put a little bit of that in there. And we're going to put a little bit of pickles in there too. Since no one's allowed to come more than 6 feet away from me, I'm going to use my fingers. I don't care. A couple caraway seeds. Not classic recipe, but I like it. Some celery salt. This is an essential ingredient. A little bit of paprika. And some black pepper. Alright. Give that a little stir. It'll macerate for a second. Just want to get that sugar dissolved. Feels pretty good. Alright, so take the rest of our ingredients. Got those couple pieces of pickle. Just going to give them a rough chop. In they go. Have some sweet onion. They have to call it sweet onion because it didn't come from Vidalia in Georgia, but they're quite similar. Along the top, through the middle, and straight down with the dice. Alright, cabbage. I got half a head of cabbage left over from making puski. Take out the core. Now, some people would grate the cabbage, but cabbage, you see, it's got all the cuts in it for you already. Nature already took care of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice this way, and I'm going to slice this way, and then the natural serrations will take care of it for me. Alright, we went the one way, hold it together, come back the other way. It's not supposed to look like it looks at the store. We want people to know you made it yourself. They'll appreciate it a little bit more. It's going to taste fresher. You know what preservatives go in there. God knows what goes in the salad that's in the deli. It sits there for weeks. Take that, throw it in. Other thing for flavor and color, a little bit of carrot. This is what I like to do. I'm going to take my carrot and my peeler. Just peel the carrots on the outside here. I'm just going to run the peeler right onto the cutting board. We got some shreds there. I'll snack on that later. Take our knife, just run them through that. That is just as easy as grating a carrot. Got one stalk of celery. probably not going to use all that, but going to slice it nice and thin. Keep your fingers back, let your knife do the work. I think that's probably enough. In it goes. I'm just going to get this to toss together. Now as this sits and marinades in the mayonnaise, the celery salt, and the vinegar, it's going to draw out some of the moisture out of the cabbage. So it looks dry now, but when you come back to it, it's going to be a lot wetter. Now this is one of those things that definitely tastes better the next day. I'm going to give it a quick taste for salt and pepper. Salt's pretty good, maybe a little bit more pepper. Another quick stir. Alright. You could eat it today if you want, but I'm sure it's going to taste better tomorrow, so make this the day before you go to your picnic or whatever. Throw it in the fridge, and there you go. Homemade coleslaw. That's like $7 at the deli. Took me 6 minutes and 49 seconds. And that was with me yapping. Enjoy.